So what is the gusset? The gusset is the space between the layers. So if you did the O here, you would need to do two front-facing O shapes, and then the gusset is existing in between, and all this is a thin layer of crochet that is going around. They never give you the dimensions. You are going to eye that up in order to make that work on its own, because the gusset can actually be any kind of distance depending on the letter. So the Y has an exterior, the J has an exterior, the A right here, that has an interior right here, but the rest of it is also that. The other thing you can do is take a tape measure and measure around the circle and get the length of the distance that you need for that gusset. And you may want to have it slightly stretched. It's up to you if you'd like to do that, but just be consistent in order to make that happen for you. And you can also do it with the interior. So just use your tape measure in order to find out that size if that's something that is really of interest to you. When you're ready to put these together, you are just going to single crochet around the outside of the letter itself and with the gusset, so the two pieces are side by side, and you are going to sandwich it together and make a single crochet to join those together as you're going around the particular shape. And that's something that is really quite easy to do, and there's really no math to that. It's just a matter of eyeing that up and making it look good. These letters are amazing once they're done in the right colors. Transitioning yarn is a lot of fun, so it's something that you would want to do if you're doing the gusset as well. Make sure that you are stuffing it before finishing off your gusset, so that you have the interior all completely stuffed before it's too late and not being able to stuff it.